So basically, the experience is moving you through a variety of dream worlds, and it's involving composited video, animation, and 3D graphics all into one space. So I'm going to give you a little demo of what that looks like. So the experience starts off with some 2D animation. It's all going with the music. And it allows you to actually look around and see various parallax and panorama views. You can also apply real-time shaders, like I'm applying to this parrot right here. And as it goes through the storyline, you'll see here it's driving through this car, and it's going to dump us into some amazing 3D interactive worlds. I'm just going to let this play through. So as you can see, I'm literally painting with geometry. I'm going to skip ahead to a separate section. This is going through a prairie sequence. And I'm literally painting with shader effects and doing collision detection, spawning animals and separate animated elements, and interacting with the environment in real time, all being rendered live. And you can explore these various dream realities and kind of progress through the storyline. The other really cool thing is you can actually contribute to the storyline yourself. So I'm going to skip ahead to the UGC tool. And here you can choose what type of element you're going to contribute to the experience. And there's a basic voxel building tool. And you can begin to build your own models right into the experience itself. So we're really excited about the types of things people are going to create with this. But I think equally exciting to the project is actually the process behind it. So the entire thing's open source. And we released a bunch of demos that show exactly how we put it together. So on this tech page, you'll see some demos. Like there's this GLSL shader demo with hatching glow shader. There's normal mapping, showing how we did some of the video compositing, depth of field. There's some really cool demos on here, and they're all open source. And you can view the code directly within the site. So hopefully you'll get a chance to take a look at some of those. We also built this model viewer, which allows you to take a look at some of the assets that are part of the project. And you could toggle things like texture. You can do wireframing, see how the models were built. I'm just going to show you a couple of my favorite models. This is a bear that morphs into a horse. This is really my favorite. This is a buffalo that goes into a tarantula, the tarantulo. And you can actually do some fun stuff like control the morphing speed yourself with JavaScript and some really cool things. And a lot of this was built with a library that I wanted to give a shout out to called 3.js. Some of you may know the developer, Mr. Doob, and he's worked with us to build this. I definitely recommend you check it out. So at the bottom of the page, there's a link to that. We're also going to put up a link to processing.js, which is a great starting point for people who are interested in learning how to use WebGL. And again, the code base is linked down there. So we're going to be launching the project really soon. You can keep your eyes out at ro.me as the URL. And yeah, if you're interested in checking out other WebGL demos, we also have a section on Chrome experiments. So if you go to chromeexperiments.com/WebGL, you can see a number of these demos as well. Thanks a lot, and talk to you soon.